Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to recover my eyes only pictures on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Snapchat and tap on this gallery icon next to snap and swipe to the right side, and here you'll find my eyes only option. So tap on that and it will ask you for your passcode. So all you have to do is just enter here the passcode, you set it, and here you will get my eyes photos. And now tap on the photo which you want to recover and tap on this three dot icon at the right hand corner and tap on unhide snap. And now if you tap on snaps, and here you will get the snaps you recovered from my eyes only. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.